Oil change of the week is a 2012 Jeep Compass. Pull the dipstick up, take the oil fill cap off, and lift her up in the air. We're going to come up under the front. Be careful with your Jackson jack stands, guys. Right through this access hole right here. Here's a 13 millimeter. Cracker free. Ooh, that one was on there a little toasty. And then come up right through this access hole. You got an oil filter right here. I already cracked it free. Let her drain. She's all drained out. Make sure you wear your Titan Flex glove. You'll find it in the comments if you follow me on Facebook. Carl's Garage, 158,000 followers. Let Er Wobble t-shirt on. It's a must. And let me know how liberal I look with my new do. Give her a little wipe ski on the oil filter housing. Yeah, that's drained enough. Let's put our plug in. Tighten it down. A little bit of oil for the filter. She should spin on by hand the whole way. And once she snugs up, give her a quarter turn or so. We got abnormal wear on the tires. We got a little bit of play in this upper control arm bushing. That's going to need replacement, alignment, and alignment. It's off. The rest of the suspension's looking good. Check your brakes, check your air pressure, all that good stuff. Oil filter was 27060. That's going to work for Napa or Parts Master. And we're going to put 4.5 quarts of 5W20 down the hatch. Torque drain plug to spec. Double check your oil. Should be right there on the max line. And reset your oil change soon light. Check all your fluids while you're under there. An oil change light to reset. Shut her off. Key to the on position. Gas pedal all the way to the floor 3 times fast. Start. And that'll reset that oil change light.